Hello everyone. Hello to every super tired mom who has been working around the clock to take care of their babies. Yes, I know how difficult this job can be because very recently I've become a mother myself. Yeah, congratulations to me. Being a mother is not at all an easy task, especially in the beginning when there is no one to guide through, especially when there is no one to guide through. Before we get into today's video, I would like to share with you a very frightening experience that happened to me very recently. One day I was feeding my baby formula milk, spoon feeding my baby. I always spoon fed my baby. He all of a sudden puked all of his milk and he was crying in a way it felt like he was choking. It was so frightening, that experience, the way he was looking at me, it was just so painful that I got frightened like hell. But that day I learned two things. One, why it is important to burp your baby, and second, correct ways of burping your baby. Before we get into the ways of burping your baby, I would like to tell you why it is important to burp your baby. It's important that you burp your baby so that if there is still some trapped air and you don't burp him properly, there are a lot of chances that he will wake up and he won't be able to sleep peacefully. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you two short ways of burping your baby the correct way so that your baby doesn't go through what my baby had. So let's get rolling. For the first method, all you have to do is hold your baby in seated position on your lap, leaning a bit forward. Make sure you have a burp cloth placed on your lap right in front of his mouth. Use your thumb and forefinger to form a C and place it under his chin to support his neck. Use other three fingers to lift his arm and start patting his back gently. If not patting, you can also rub his back in upward direction so that the air gets out easily. For the second method, all you have to do is hold your baby against your shoulder in upright position. Support his bottom with one hand while patting his back with the other. Massaging upwards or in circular motion is another way of burping. Make sure you massage in upward direction to get the gas out. Change the frequency and pattern to get the burp out nice and quick. Many parents find the first method more effective and easier, but I find this one more comfortable and effective. Cup your hands while patting it so it won't hurt your baby. Also, you should be constantly aware of his nose and neck. Neck should constantly have a support and nose should not be blocked by your shoulder. If not on shoulder, you can also hold him in upright position against your chest and support his head with your neck. So I hope this video really helped you learn why and how to burp your baby. Although there are still a lot of questions that parents ask, like what to do if the baby doesn't burp, for how much duration you have to burp your baby, and etc. I have covered all of those frequently asked questions in my next video. You can check it out. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also shoot comments and whatever question you might be having in the comment section below. I'll make sure to answer them all. Thank you. Bye bye. Sayonara.